Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders head-to-head. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone on the left and the IDEA brushless motor drone on the right. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Rock it! First up, let's talk about price. DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at $279, while the IDEA brushless motor drone is a cool $89. That's right, folks, IDEA is so cheap, you might think they forgot to add a zero. But hey, who needs money when you can have fun, right? DJI Mini 2 SE is like the luxury sedan of drones, while IDEA is that scrappy little go-kart that surprises everyone at the finish line. Which one's gonna win your heart and wallet? Let's keep going. Next, portability. DJI Mini 2 SE is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's practically a feather. You could take it on hikes, road trips, or even sneak it into your office to spy on your boss. Just kidding. Or am I? Smirk. On the other hand, IDEA also folds up nicely and comes with a carrying case. It's like packing a sandwich for your lunch. Simple and ready to go. But remember, folks, it's what's inside that counts. Now, let's talk cameras. DJI Mini 2 SE has some pretty neat shooting templates in the DJI Fly app, making it super easy to capture professional-level videos. Just a few taps, and boom, you're Spielberg. IDEA comes in hot with a 4K Sony sensor camera and a 90 degrees field of view. You can capture ultra-high-definition photos and videos. It's like having an eye in the sky, except this one won't get tired or ask for a coffee break. Flight time is where things get interesting. DJI Mini 2 SE offers a whopping 31 minutes per battery, and if you get the combo, you get up to 93 minutes. That's enough time to fly to the moon and back, almost. IDEA, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes with its two modular batteries. It's like the difference between binge-watching a whole Netflix series and just watching one episode. Both are fun, but one leaves you wanting more. DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers with OcuSync, meaning you can fly this baby far and wide without losing signal. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. IDEA also has some tricks up its sleeve with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning. It's like the drone took a self-defense class and is ready to dodge anything you throw at it. Plus, it has a VR function. Yeah, you heard me right, VR. Who knew drones could be so 2023? DJI Mini 2 SE is beginner-friendly with its return-to-home function and easy-to-use DJI Fly app. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Perfect for those of us who can't tell our left from our right. IDEA isn't far behind with headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, and gesture control. It's like the drone is saying, "Don't worry, I got this." Great for those of us who can't even program a microwave. Overall, reviewers love the DJI Mini 2 SE for its build quality, advanced features, and ease of use, making it a great choice even for beginners. The main drawback is the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors. On the other hand, IDEA brushless motor drone is praised for its affordability, stability, and user-friendly features, though some users have reported issues with durability and battery life. It's a solid budget option, especially for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 2 SE and the IDEA brushless motor drone. Two amazing options for your aerial adventures. Whether you want to splurge on the luxury model or go for the budget-friendly option, Both drones offer unique features that can make your flying experience unforgettable. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Fly high and buy smart. Movie camera helicopter product links are in the description.